go walking. Lucy. Oh, my arm. Come on. Little dog got some power. Come on. Lucy. 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 Barkley. Lucy. Come on. Come on. Look at that bird. Hey, birdie. We'll leave you alone. Looks like a baby bird. He's got hairs above his eyes. The doggy didn't even see him. Doggy didn't see that bird. There's my trail camera. Stand there. I'm gonna make another one. I got another trail camera. What's wrong, Lucy? Come on. You see, grape tomatoes not doing so well. We got a green pepper right there. Oh, two of them. Two of them. And somewhere we got tomatoes. I've seen them somewhere. I've seen them somewhere. Got this one right there. This is my watermelon plants. I'm not gonna let them go as wild as I did before. She couldn't wait. Barkley. Barkley. Come on. You know better. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Nice and quiet out here. It's not hot. It's not cold. No wind. You can hear the birds. See. There's those black currant berries. I think it's supposed to be grape or something. I don't know. This one used to have some. I think Shelly ate them off of there. We have some strawberries today too, up strawberry plants. So you ain't gonna see no more strawberries for a little bit until they grow some more. Yeah, there's the grapes. A lot of grapes. Oh, they're actually letting me show you stuff today. We're gonna have a lot of. I gotta put some pipe ends out here to chase off the squirrels. I think I'm getting a motion detecting. Oh, come on, Lucy. I don't know what that is down there. And daylilies. Oh, they're pulling me down. Oh, come on. Come on. There's no sun in my fountain there. Come on, let's go in the house. Let's go in the house. Come on, stop yelling. Stop yelling. Come on, stop yelling. Come on. Thanks to folks for watching. Thank you, folks. We enjoyed it. Hope you did too. Tell the folks you appreciate them. Come on. Thanks for watching, folks.